Dynamic positioning systems are essential for maintaining vessel position or enabling controlled movement during demanding offshore operations, such as crew transfers and lifting. At the heart of these systems lies a fundamental need: reliable and accurate wind measurements. Unreliable wind data can lead to position drift and instability, posing a serious risk to both operations and human safety. Poor quality wind measurements often result from malfunctioning sensors, insufficient sensor accuracy, harsh environmental conditions such as inadequate de-icing capability, or improper sensor placement. Introducing the new DNV-type approved Vaisala ultrasonic wind sensor WM80. Engineered for the rigorous demands of dynamic positioning in harsh maritime environments. Built with marine-grade anodized aluminum and featuring 11 controlled heaters, the WM80 withstands extreme weather, corrosion, vibrations, and shocks, while delivering uninterrupted wind data even in severe icing conditions. WM80 features a compact design with push-pull connector, while standardized communication protocols like NMEA and Modbus ensure seamless integration with your control systems. Vaisala's wind cap technology with patented reflectors delivers 10 times the signal strength of traditional sensors. This ensures highly accurate wind measurements even at extreme wind speeds of up to 90 meters per second without data gaps. The WM80 sets a new standard for reliability in dynamic positioning systems. Minimize unnecessary risks and optimize your vessel's performance in any environment with Vaisala's proven ultrasonic wind sensor technology. Learn more at vaisala.com/WM80 Maritime.